Sean from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. We're on a central air, complained it's no cool in the house. We got out here, the unit sounds like it's turned on, we're just getting some buzzing. So I'm going to access the electrical components here so I can check to see what kind of voltage I have. So I'm going to remove this panel. Alright, so I'm just going to check to make sure I got good voltage to the unit at the contactor. So I got 240 and 240 going through, so that's good. It looks like the capacitor here might be bad. It bubbled up a little bit. So what I'm going to do, just to make sure that the fan or anything isn't damaged, I'm going to go ahead and grab a new capacitor, just put one on, and monitor the operation of the unit. Okay, so I'm just going to replace the capacitor. I disconnected the power to the at the breaker, shut the breaker off, because there's a beehive inside the quick disconnect, and I don't have any bee spray. So rather than get hurt, we just went inside, shut the breaker off to the unit. And there, I just double checked and made sure there was no voltage to the unit, so we should be fine. And so what I did was I scraped off some of the rust off of my terminal so I could see which wire was supposed to go where. And we're going to remove them, put them onto the new cap. We got that in, and this guy here is a little bit smaller than the old capacitor, but if we put the bracket on, it'll at least hold it there for what we want to see. So we'll set it there. Obviously we'll have to secure it if that is the only problem. And with this off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my gauges onto the low side, and that way I'll be able to make sure that the compressor is coming out and doing what it should do. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just loosen up this cap here on my low side. Set that to the side. Put my gauges on here. And there we are. So now I'm going to run back inside, turn the breaker on, and we'll monitor and see what happens. Just removing the top of the fan motor here so I can get inside to the compressor. Now we'll just lift it up and off. Now we still have wiring that's connected, so we won't be able to remove it totally. So I'm just going to try to gently set it to the side. Thank you for watching another quality in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.